Okay, drink we're about to make is called Tequila Twilight. And we're going to take a Collins glass, go ahead and fill it up with ice. And we'll measure out 2 ounces of tequila. There we go. 1 and 2. Follow that up with 4 ounces of cranberry juice. And we'll go ahead and mix those up. All right. Now, the last thing we're going to do is just top it with a shot of grape juice. And just whatever grape juice you have on hand. In this case, I'm using white grape juice. We'll just pour that right on top all the way to the top. And we'll give it a straw. You've got a nice fruity cocktail, the Tequila Twilight. Bottoms up.